those who don't know me, I am Fancy, but people call me Queen Fancy. We are doing another episode of Carnitas. I love those carnitas. So if you want to learn how to make a quick and easy recipe, just keep watching. So I went to Target and I got the butt roast. It is the one that has a lot of fat because when you are making the carnitas, you need a lot of fat for the flavoring. So I am just going to cut this open and drain the juice because I don't need all that juice. Sorry, my dog's in the background, so she's walking around and she's making a lot of noise with her necklace because she is so small that I step on her all the time and she's always by my foot. So with her necklace, then I don't step on her as often as I do when she's not wearing it. So it comes with this net, and I just have to be careful so that all the juice doesn't get on me, because how gross is it to have raw meat juice on you? Really gross. Okay, there you go. And what I'm gonna do is I am just going to cut it into big chunks. Sorry, I'm not a butcher, so I don't know, but big chunks like this. Gonna throw in a crock pot. And I'm only gonna do half of it so that I can use the other half for a different time. And if you don't like the fat on it, you can cook with the fat, and when it's ready, you just remove the fat. So skin side down. Skin side down. After you put your pork in there, I'm just using this, I'm sorry if you guys can't see this, but it's just a Carnithas sauce that I bought from Cup Foods. And if I can open it here, you're just going to put the whole pack in there. Woo! And then I'm going to use bay leaves. I'm going to put 4 in there, 2, 3, 4, and that is ready. I am going to set it for low, because I'm going to be making it for more than 8 hours. I put it on low, but if I'm going to cook it for 4 hours or less, I want to use high. So we are going to put some of this into here. I am trying to do with one hand. Let's see how good I am. Careful, it's gonna pop. Just put a little at a time. And remember the fat that we had yesterday that I put on the bottom, you don't even notice it. when it's ready because it is so yummy to the tummy. So we're just gonna fry it for a little bit so it's got the crispy. So I'm just gonna push the meat to the edge here. The reason why I use such a big skillet is because I'm gonna put my tortilla in there, just like that. So it cooks because I like the tortilla kind of not hard but crunchy. Oh, look at that! Oh my god! Ooh, I can't wait. And then flip it. And then flip it. Ooh. Shakalaka, shakalaka. Oh yeah. Look at that. If you guys do try this recipe out, please let me know in the comment below. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know, and maybe I'll try it out and see what I think of it. But that's all that I have for you guys for today. Until next time, I will see you guys. Bye.